and from the earth the like of them. Allah said, Allah is He who created 7 firmaments, and of the earth is a similar number. The difference in the parts of the world heaven is not the same as the difference between the 7 heavens. For the parts of the world heaven are intermingled in a way that the cleaving is apparent in them, while it is one heaven and it is within the grasp of human knowledge, while the 7 heavens are separate in their issues and are beyond human knowledge. Also, for the world heaven, as is the case in the world life, it ends with annihilation, for this life is a house of probation and testing, and the latter life is true living. Allah said, Every soul shall have a taste of death, and only on the day of judgment shall you be paid your full recompense. Only he who is saved far from the fire and admitted to the garden will have attained the object. For the life of this world is but goods and chattels of deception.